always, thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. My name is Jenny. Thank you so much for swinging by. For today's video, I am going to be showing you guys exactly what I did to create this New Year's Eve inspired hairdo. I know that sometimes us curly girls, we get stuck in a little bit of a rut because we love our natural curly hair. However, sometimes we feel like we just want to switch it up. And I know that it's not always easy to come up with cute, easy, creative ways to style our hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing exactly what I did to create this very cute but very easy, because that's what I like very easy hairstyles, then please keep on watching. guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? This is a very simple yet very cute look that we could do for New Year's. I know that sometimes for us curly girls, at least for myself personally, sometimes it gets a little tricky with my hair because I love my curly hair, but sometimes I want to switch up my look, and it's not always as easy as it looks with curly hair. So I hope that you found this video not only entertaining, but that you also learned something from it, and you might want to give this little hairdo a try. Maybe not. Alrighty guys, so as always, please, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Both of those things really help my channel to grow. Also, don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I wish you guys a very happy new year, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.